Hello! In this lesson, I want you to learn some useful weather vocabulary. Why is it useful to learn weather vocabulary? Because for British people, it is one of our subjects for small talk, when we just chat to someone and it's nothing important that we're talking about. Also, it's useful when we're reading the newspaper. In this video, I've divided 12 words into 4 categories. The 12 words are above the clouds, and the 4 categories are storm with 2 words, snow with 3 words, wind with 3 words, and rain with 4 pieces of vocabulary. You can pause the video and try and put these words into the correct category. Let's look at them now in detail. Lightning is what we can see in the picture with the electricity during a storm. And thunder is the sound we hear. With rain, we can describe it in different degrees. So light rain is a little. Rain, normal. Heavy rain, a lot. So we can say it's a very rainy, with Y, rainy day. 2 other pieces of vocabulary, other words, are drizzle, which means a very, very fine, small amount of water falling, but continuously, or shower, which means it's a light rain, for a small period of time. So drizzle and shower. When we talk about the wind, so when the air is moving around you, we can say breeze, which is very gentle wind, maybe moves your hair a little. Strong wind, like the picture, when it moves things like umbrellas. And a gale is when the wind is so strong it moves the trees, it makes people move with the air, like in the picture, gale. When we think about snow, I personally start to think about snowmen and Christmas ideas. But if the snow is very, very intense and there's a lot of wind, and it's hard to see things because there's so much snow even, we call it a blizzard. Blizzard. A different kind of snow is hailstone, which is frozen balls of ice, which can cause damage. Now, let's look at the answers to that category image at the beginning. How did you do? Did you guess the answers, or did you know the answers? Take a screenshot of this image so you can look at it later. Let's check the pronunciation of 3 of these words. Drizzle, drizzle, blizzard, blizzard, and gale, gale. Now, a little test. I have 5 pictures and I want you to think which word from all the vocabulary would best describe the picture. So the first one with the trees, what do you think? I think that this could be a gale when it's very, very strong wind, or it could be wind. What about the one with the man underneath the trees? I think it's a blizzard. Now the one in the middle at the bottom. What do you think? I think this looks like very heavy rain. Now, the one with the bicycle. I think it looks like a shower So it's a period of rain. She stopped on her bicycle to enjoy the rain, a shower, or drizzle, or light rain. And the last one, at the top on the right. This is hailstone. Now, I haven't forgotten the sun, so it's sunny. If you want to know more about snow vocabulary, click on the link I'll put in the description and watch my video, How to Talk About Snow. I hope now you can talk about weather and understand what people say. What's your favorite kind of weather? Tell me in the comments. My favorite weather, I think, is when it's sunny but not too hot. If you've enjoyed the video, click like, share, subscribe and turn on the bell so that you'll be notified when there's a new useful, interesting video. This is Kim. Have a great day.